Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and we currently have a new severe thunderstorm warning in effect for western Providence County. Now, this includes communities such as Johnston, Burrillville, Smithfield, North Smithfield, Foster, Gloucester, and Scituate, among others. If you are in the affected area in this red polygon here, you're going to want to take shelter immediately if you haven't already. Pause any outdoor activities as we've been tracking this very strong line of thunderstorms that's been rapidly moving through. Started to really ramp up in the Albany area, tracked very fast in the past couple of hours, now approaching us here in southern New England. With that, we've been seeing kind of gusty winds throughout the day, but you'll notice those winds pick up just ahead of the front moving through. More gray skies here as we approach the Scituate area. Taking a look there now as this line tracks a little bit closer and closer to that western Rhode Island border. And you can see right now kind of a bow here, we call a little bit of a bow echo signature, which suggests pretty strong straight line winds moving through those areas that I mentioned. So this is currently approaching Burrillville and the Gloucester area, just passing over that western border. So again, if you haven't already taken shelter, want to do so immediately, as these strong winds could cause damage to trees, which could fall on cars, property. So you definitely want to be indoors. Once again, taking a look on a broader scale here, we did have a tornado warning areas further north. This cell, which has the purple polygon around it, that is what we call a tornado possible signature, is tracking now north of Boston. So no tornado warning currently there, and none luckily to our south either. But we do have these other polygon severe thunderstorm warnings, including the one that's affecting our immediate area, and then just to our north, southern Worcester County as well. So again, taking another look, this now is just approaching our border here, just crossing over that. So if you're in the Burrillville area, Gloucester area, on Route 44, want to take shelter immediately. May have to pull off your car on the highway if necessary, as this is coming through very quickly with those strong winds. Potentially hail accompanied with that as well. And let's take a closer look at that hail signature. Not particularly strong at the time being. You can see these blue areas that's suggesting are perhaps larger hail. The other areas in green, not really suggesting a strong signature there, but we certainly could see some hail accompanied with this as it continues to move through. And on a broader scale, this is all part of a strong line of storms, which again has been rapidly tracking through southern New England in the past few hours. So again, if you're in the affected areas in the red polygon, want to take shelter immediately if you haven't already. And now, keeping a close eye on areas further east, so Woonsocket, parts of Eastern Smithfield, Lincoln, and Providence. Of course, PVD Fest going on right now. Want to be aware, prepare for an evacuation plan if necessary, or a place to go indoors as this storm continues to rapidly track further east. Of course, we'll continue to monitor this in the coming hours. With that, our severe thunderstorm watch, which will continue for the entire area of Providence County, will continue until 8 p.m. And again, we'll keep you guys updated as this progresses. But in the meantime, if you're in the affected area, the red polygon now, want to take shelter if you haven't already. Areas further east, so including Lincoln, Providence, want to start thinking about taking shelter right now as this is approaching Woonsocket as well, and Pawtucket. And we'll keep you guys updated. I'll have another video update for you coming up in just a little bit. Keep checking online, and we'll have our shows later on this evening as well.